Welcome back. In this tutorial, we are going to set up a complete Java development environment from scratch on Ubuntu Linux. And so by the end of this video, you would have the Java development kit installed and then intellij-idea up and running. And we will verify everything works by running your very first Java program. First of all, we are going to do the installation via the terminal. So you can open your Linux terminal using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl Alt T. Now, to ensure that we have the latest packages on our system, let's update our system. So we will use sudo apt update. It's asking for my password, so let me enter my password. So now that our system has been updated, what we can do now is to install the JDK. So we will install the OpenJDK 21, which is the current long-term support version. So let me clear the terminal and then we install the JDK. So here we type apt sudo apt install OpenJDK 21 as JDK then Y. Sorry, I've made a mistake. So let me do it again. So we have sudo apt install OpenJDK 21 JDK then Y. So it says that I already have the latest version here. So there is no need to install. I already have it on my system. Just taking you through the process so that you will know. So now that we have it installed, let's check the version of Java that we have. Yes, that's version 21. This is it, Java 21. Yes, that's what we have now. Now let's see if we have the javac also installed on our system. So now that we have all this here, what we can do is to also install the intellij-idea on our Ubuntu system. And the easiest way to do it is to install on Ubuntu via hot snap. So if your system supports snap, then you can run this code. So let me clear it again so that you see. I already have it here as I said earlier on. So I'm just showing you the command so that you can install it. This is the community version, which is the free one. It's say that it's already installed on our system, so there is no need for a new installation. So now what we can do is to open the app, the intellij-idea, so that we can try. What we can do is can use this command line again. So we enter this idea, then community. And so now that we've installed the intellij-idea community version, let's create a new project so that we can see how we can write our first application. So we go to file, then new, and then we click on project. And so we select Java, then rename it. Let's say hello friend. Is hello friend. That's the name of the project. Then we click on create. We wait for it to open for us. Public class main, then our method public static void main. So let's print our names on this onto the screen. So this is our first program. Let's run it. Yes, so now our system is working just fine. This is the output. Hello world, my name is Isaac, and that's how we install Java on our Linux system and also install the IDE, which is the integrated development environment for writing our Java programs. This is how we install it, and we've run our first program to actually see that everything is working just fine. And so now that everything is settled, we can move on to the next one where we can write our codes and everything. So if you've learned something from here, if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section and I'll try my best to help you out. So see you in the next video.